Hi. I'm feeling at night for the very first time ever because we ran out of daytime. Anyways, I have a brand new straightener. I absolutely love hair tools and I absolutely love trying them out. This is by Irresistible Me. It's very super sexy and sleek and I just realized it really matches my whole aesthetic today because it's black and it's got hints of rose gold. This is basically their new diamond straightener and it's supposed to have some really great features and I can't wait to try it out. It's so sexy. You get a bunch of new features right over here, so that's pretty cool. Look, it's so flashy. It's amazing. But we're gonna really put it to the test on some seriously curly hair, which we're gonna straighten. I need someone special to try this thing out because my hair, as you can see, is already straight today. So, lo and behold, he's my brother. This is my brother. I'm going to be straightening his hair today because he's got super curly hair.
Hi.
This is the magic straightener. It will straighten your hair. Today we're going to be straightening my brother's hair, Emilio, because he's got super curly hair, so we're going to test this bad boy out on him. Okay, thank you very much. Enjoy. So, how are you doing in your life?
So far, so good.
It's a beauty. Wow.
Oh. Oh, great, the man bun.
Yeah! Okay. So, bro, how do you rate this experience?
Terrible.
How would you rate the straightener?
That's good.
High five. That was the whole entire video. I hope you enjoyed this fun little family video thing. His hair was really oily, so there was that thing. I'll leave the link of this straightener down below. I think it did a pretty awesome job in the straightening department because his hair is now straight. Yeah, I'll link this down below. As I said, this is the Irresistible Me Black Diamond Straightener. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go and I will see you in my next video. Bye!